Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into the Google account that owns your app. Once logged in, go straight to the AdMob dashboard and click Apps. This begins the app registration. Enter your app's package name for Android or the App Store ID for iOS so AdMob links correctly. Make sure billing and account details are filled in. This avoids delays. Once done, select whether your app is already published or not. Then continue to the app configuration screen to create an app entry. Now you create the app entry inside AdMob. Select the correct platform and confirm whether the app is already published, because that affects how you reference it. Enter the exact app name and verify the package name or App Store ID. Mismatches cause later errors. Then save the app. AdMob will generate an app ID tied to this entry. You don't need to create ad units yet, but you can. Just remember the app ID is what your SDK uses to initialize ads. After saving, go to the app overview and copy the AdMob App ID shown there. This is a string you must embed in your app. For Android, paste it into Android Manifest. XML as specified by the Mobile Ads SDK. For iOS, add it to Info. Plist. Initialize the SDK with that ID in your app code and run a test build. If ads don't load, check package/App Store ID accuracy and internet access. Enable test ads to rule out account.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.